bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And in this video, you're going to learn a fabulous activity that you can practice on your own that will help you move forward with your español. ¿Listo? Vamos! Okay, so to do this activity you need a piece of paper, A4 piece of paper and pen. I'm going to take you through an example of how I would do this activity and you can then apply this to your own. And the idea is that you do it around a subject or a topic that you're interested in. So, un pasatiempo. It could be running, walking, cooking, holidaying, whatever it is that you enjoy. Okay. So once you've identified the topic that you're going to use for this activity, you are going to write it in the middle of the screen here. So for me, I'm going to do it all about el ciclismo. Okay. So you're going to write the name of the activity in Espanol in the middle of your paper, el ciclismo. On the right, you're going to start to write down all of the words that you associate with this activity in Espanol. To start with, try and do it without looking in a dictionary, but if you're struggling, just grab a dictionary and start to make a note of them. So for me, el ciclismo, when I'm thinking of el ciclismo, I'm thinking of la bicicleta, yeah, la bicicleta. Thinking of las ruedas, the wheels, yep, la bicicleta, the bike, las ruedas, the wheels. I'm thinking of el pedal, the pedal. Something else that I might associate with el ciclismo is el cierre, the lock, el asiento, a seat, the seat, la cesta, or as we call in Argentina, la canasta, the basket, yeah, la canasta, and the handlebars, of course, el manibrio, perfecto, yeah. So you'll see that you're starting to build up some vocabulario around this activity. Over here on the right, on the left, a la izquierda, we're going to write down some verbs that you associate with the activity. So for me, when I think of el ciclismo, I think of riding a bike. Yes, the verb to ride, montar, montar, an AR ending verb. I might also use andar, yeah, andar in bicicleta, to ride a bike. To get on, to get off. Maybe to get on, subir, yeah. When I get on a bike, I subo la bicicleta. And when I get off, I bajar. You might also subir and bajar a hill. So I might want to be adding over here, la colina, yeah, una colina, a hill. As you're writing down these words, it'll spark and remind you, or make you think of more words that you can add to your list. Bajar. When I practicar, yeah, practico, yeah, practico, the activity of practicing the sport of el ciclismo. Yeah, el ciclismo is also un deporte. Yeah, it's a sport, un deporte. Practico, I'm putting the full verbs down here though, practicar. Yeah, and of course with sports we use practicar for non-ball sports and jugar for ball sports. So in this case, el ciclismo is un deporte that doesn't involve a ball, so it's practicar. And when I practico el ciclismo, I might get a bit thirsty. I might beber. Yeah, beber, to drink. And I might definitely take a snack. So I might also comer. And if I'm beber, I might beber el agua. Yeah. And if I am comer, I might take a snack. I might take una galleta. Okay, and the great thing about this activity is as you're listing el vocabulario, you're also revising your articles. Are they masculine? Are they feminine? Are they singular? Are they plural? Yeah. Are you using the or a? Perfecto. Then down here we're going to add some adjectives. So what kind of adjectives would you use to describe the activity of el ciclismo, or whatever activity that you've chosen? For me, I might say el ciclismo, definitely, very common one. Divertido, yeah, it's fun. Emocionante. Doesn't mean emotional, it means exciting. Emocionante. I also find it relajante, yeah, relaxing. So you might want to look up in the dictionary some adjectives that you can use to describe your activity. And up here, let's think about the types of equipment that you might need to practice your activity. To practicar el ciclismo, necesito, let's start with zapatillas. Trainers, yeah? Necesito zapatillas. Necesito, I need, un casco, a helmet, yeah? Un casco. And probablemente guantes, gloves. Perfecto. ¿Qué más? I might need some gafas or lentes de sol, some sunglasses. Maybe una remera, which is a t-shirt in Argentina, also known as una camiseta, yeah, in other countries. Perfecto. And unas medias, yeah, some socks. Perfecto. So you can see here how from just simply writing in the middle one activity, el ciclismo, I've already started to extend my vocabulario. I've got a list of vocabulary, I've got some verbos, I've got some adjectives, I've got some more vocab to describe the type of equipment that I need to practice my activity. And then you can kind of leave it like that depending on where you're at, what level you're at with your Spanish. In the next video, I'm going to show you what you can do with these verbs to extend this activity even further. And this is a fabulous thing to do if you are an independent learner, if you're a little bit stuck, if you're not quite sure, if you want to revise some basic grammar, or even if you want to extend and build your vocabulary. I hope you've enjoyed it.